So now the next thing is click next. Let's continue to console. Next thing is we have to implement the splash screen in our riders app. So for the time saving, just go to your sellers app and copy the lib from there. Copy it and come back here, right click on riders app, click paste and click OK and click overwrite. So inside the lib we have the view model, main.dot and global. So let's start from the main.dot. First of all, remove the packages which shows errors, import shared preferences which is from global variables dot and import my splash screen. Then we will go to the splash screen dot file and remove the package which shows error and import home screen dot. So this is all about our splash screen. Now let's go to the home screen. From the home screen, remove this package which shows errors and import my drawer like that. And also in our view where we have widgets, my drawer, remove the packages which shows errors and then let's import shared preferences. And then of course the home screen dot and then the common view model, and then the last one we have my splash screen. Now comes the time for the auth screens. Go to auth screen dot, remove the packages which shows errors, import sign in screen and then of course sign up screen. Then comes the sign in screen, remove the package which shows error. First of all, let's import the auth view model which you see here, okay, and then the image which we will display here is logo.png, this one. Now let's go to the sign up screen, remove the packages which shows errors, also the unused packages we can remove. Then we have to import the full address which belongs to global variables dot. Now let's check out step by step. So first of all we have circle avatar, then we have form where we have name, email, then we have phone of the rider, and then password, confirm password, and then the location. So it will be, as this is the rider app, so the rider will see my location, which is basically current location, and it will be updated. We will update it, and then my current address. Then after the location we have sign up button, which is this one. So this is all about the view of our riders app.